1969, Mario Hernandez Sr. was an independent sales agent. He then started Florida Automotive, Marine, and Industrial Sales. Today, led by Mario Hernandez Jr., Oscar Hernandez, and myself, we've grown to be the largest powder coating distributor in North America. We have multiple stocking locations, climate-controlled warehousing, and we focus on the Southeast, Caribbean, and Central America. Today, FAMIS has really developed a complete offering to the industrial finisher. We have Chemcraft industrial finishes, we have Axalta powder coatings, 3M for adhesive and abrasives, and we also have bulk chemical for pretreatment and Nordson for application equipment. We really are a one-stop shop for the industrial finishing house. FAMIS is unique because we combine expertise in equipment and consumables, along with design and delivery. We are one of the only companies in North America that combines all of these attributes. We really are thrilled about PowderDepot.com. Our internet-only business focused exclusively on the small powder coater. We offer Axalta powder coatings in 1, 3, 5, and 25-pound reusable containers. Also, replacement parts, and of course, as an internet business, we're open 24/7. FAMIS, we're poised for growth.